Nestle Toll House dark chocolate morsels, Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake, alrighty, we're just gonna smooth this into an even layer on top of those chocolate chips, the dark chocolate morsels. Now you can use whatever kind of chocolate you like. I am a dark chocolate fan. I think the darker the better, but if you're a milk chocolate, a white chocolate fan, you can just as easily do this recipe with those. Now I'm coming in with my sliced strawberries. We just quartered these up. What better way to say I love you than with strawberries for Valentine's Day? Forget the flowers. You can give them chopped strawberries and feed their tummy and brighten their spirits. All right, coming in with a little bit of our strawberry glaze here. Y'all, if you've not had this, it's so delicious. Of course, you can make your own with some cornstarch, some strawberry gelatin, but look how beautiful, easy, and might I say delicious this is. And I'm just kind of streaming it over in little streamers on here. You don't need this to be a solid layer. Of course, you can have it that way if you prefer, but I think this looks really pretty and it's gonna give us a lot of that delicious flavor that we're looking for. Alrighty, y'all, those were just my jumbo jet puff marshmallows placed on top to form a marshmallow crust. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of Valentine sprinkles in here now. Alrighty, I'm popping this in my oven at 350, not for long, just long enough to get those marshmallows kind of puffy and gooey on top. Alrighty, y'all, our Valentine's Day dessert dip is ready. Oh my goodness. Just like a sweet treat, obviously you can dip into our s'mores here, get it right on, but this is kind of the fun part, is like when you have a marshmallow hot topping on your delicious sundae, and then you get all of this goodness inside on to eat all together. Yummy. All right, here I go, everybody. That is so good. Y'all, you gotta try it.